Alright, fantastic food, fantastic vibe, fantastic restaurant, I told you. Let's go out now and walk a bit because that food for just as amazing and tasteful was, oh my god, so hot here. Really was a bit on the caloric side, on the heavy side, let's say. So yeah, let's digest a bit and let's continue to explore Brașov. A lot of shops and still a lot of tourists. I think there are more tourists now than this morning. So I think they came from Bran, they came here after visiting the castle of Dracula here in Transylvania. What is here? So yeah, this zone of Romania, one of the reasons Romania became famous is because of Transylvania, because of Dracula, because of Stalker, is the name of that writer. Wow, I'm super full, I can't even speak. Whew, okay, I need a coffee. Became famous this part of the world, this country, one of the reasons is because of Dracula, here in Transylvania. I mean, it's an amazing zone, so it's an amazing region, really, of Romania. I think it's one of my favorite regions, actually. One of my favorite cities, this one, Brașov. There's a party here or something. Yeah, there is a concert there, guys. Whoa! Whoa! Partying! Let's go and dance, guys. I don't know which type of music is this. Oh, look at that murales. Super loud. I hope you can hear me. For sure it's not this trap party, guys. This is not the type of music of trap. Oh, wow. They put a lot of chairs here. And there is a concert. What is this? Can you see it? I don't know who is playing. I think they are doing a test audio, I guess, for tonight. Look at the architecture here. Wow, super loud now. Wow, getting louder and louder. Ah, it's a jazz. Jazz Blues Festival. Jazz and Blues Festival. Let's get a bit further. Wow, look at this, guys. You see it's written in Hungarian, because here was part of Hungary before. Romanian, English, and of course German. Alright, they finished. Pretty calm here. If it wasn't for that festival, no one speaks, very calm. No? They started again. Okay. Do you like this music, guys? Do you? We didn't explore this part of the city. You see, every time you come, you turn the corner, everything changes here. There are different architecture mixing. Hungarian, German, Romanian. Because I told you this was a trading hub, this city. I don't know how to digest now, actually. You think a coffee would help? I think yes. I don't know where we're gonna head out there. I don't know that road, actually. I think it's the road that we went this morning or something, like the main road where we bought that Luca. Let me guess, I'm right? So of course I'm right. It's the main road, this one, guys. So it's like a square, this city. There is the park, but look how many people there are now. Yeah, more than this morning, right? And since we are here, I want to go back to Mega Image because I want to take another water. Because we told that Sal, guys, we really need it. But I don't remember where it is. Should be close by here. This is like, oh, it opened this one. It was closed this morning. Let's see if they have water here. No, speak English, right? Bye. No? Alright, it's here the water. Let's grab some water, guys. Yeah, I guess this one, what is 1 liter, this one? This one, I guess, 1 liter. The guy spoke English, then I spoke Romanian, then I speak English. Here we are. Thank you very much.
Have a great day.
You too. I asked the gentleman what else we can watch here. Ciao. What else we can watch here? It says temporary close. He told me about Fortress, but it says temporary close. I don't know, guys, if it's open or not. I don't want to risk it because it's like 20 minutes walk from here. It's not a problem. It's not too much. Wow, now the sun is hitting strong. I brought, by the way, the sunscreen, the sun cream. How do you say it? I think I need to put it. I will stop somewhere and I will ask ChatGPT what we can see more in this city because I'm a bit confused, actually. It looks like it's a square. We are always in the old town, but I'm sure there are more things to watch. Why that place has the queue? Is it so good? What's the name of that place? Emma La Dolce. Okay, never heard. Probably it's only here in Brașov. This looks like a restaurant. This one is same. I don't know. Imagine at night here, guys. Imagine at night, Saturday night, or even yesterday that was like event, 15th of August. I think here was packed. Looks like a restaurant, right? I feel weird to sit and not eat. You know what I mean? How nice are these? If I were a kid and had money, I would buy all of them. And now, yeah, we can sit somewhere there in 5 to go, I guess. I don't know where to sit. How about we take and we sit there? We sit there, just there, where other people are. Huh? How about that? The sun went down, so now is a really good temperature. They always do this special coffee. Beach Please, by the way, is like a musical festival, very popular at the moment here in Romania. You might have heard. It's like Tomorrowland, you know, Tomorrowland is more famous. And this one is another one, organized locally by Romanian authorities. It's a Romanian thing anyway. But it's really international. They come from all over the world to this festival. I guess we can go on the other side and sit, guys, because here is full, and it's full also the chairs there. Here with the fountain in front, guys, amazing. And in front of this amazing coffee, wait, guys, you got something there. Okay, now it's clean. In front of this amazing coffee of $1 5 lei, more or less. I want to tell you that I think I decided where I will move. I will not tell you the country. You remember, if you watched the previous episodes, I told you I was not sure about 2 countries that are in my playlist, so we visited them already. I think I decided, and you will see it very soon where we will go, guys, because I will make videos of the moving out, moving in, opening the company, all the bureaucracy. And look how relaxing it is here. I always compare it to Bucharest, you know. It's hard to find, I think, in Bucharest this vibe. Told you this morning, it's very chaotic, I think, that city. It's the capital anyway. Look at that, I love that sign, like Hollywood, Brașov. Here I think there are like pensione, like restaurant and hotel combined. Pensione is like a hotel, a small hotel, I think. There is another hotel there. It's like the street of the hotels, this one, guys. And there are a lot of restaurants too, of course. What is this? Art and hobby shop. I don't know. I think it says like things to color or something. I don't know. Alright, I think we're going a bit out from the center now. There we didn't go, indeed. We're gonna go closer to the sign. Let's see if we can take a photo there. You see the colored houses there? Nice. They're really old style, actually. What is this? You think it's a Wi-Fi? I don't know. Might be a Wi-Fi, I don't know, or a camera. Looks like a router to me, to be honest. Might be free Wi-Fi in the city. I think we have to press, no, guys, here? Yeah, I guess. There are a lot of small coffees there. Here, sorry. There is a focacceria here, so it's like hidden places. Told you, this city is all about discovering, guys. Walking without Google Maps. Anyway, it's not that big. And it's very popular, Tisilli, I saw. I see it everywhere, guys, Tisilli coffee. It's an Italian brand. Guys, it reminds me like Chernivtsi, this city, the city in Ukraine we visited. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go in the playlist Ukraine, in Roaming Mario, and go and check it out. That city, Chernivtsi, it's called. Amazing city. We were walking randomly, but I think we found something interesting. Let's go up. Look at this. I think here you go up there. Up to the... I don't know if you can go up to the sign, but I didn't know about this part of the city. Let's go. Let's see. No one told me about this. Not even ChatGPT. Well, here I think you could have taken the cable thing to go upstairs, but of course now the cable thing is, they are fixing it, so it's closed. Wow, can't walk, guys. Super steep. Congratulations. Very nice. Bright to be. I need to sit. Would love to sit somewhere to drink something. Wow, I think this is the zone that the guy told me. You can see all here, everything. Look, not all the city, but you see the city, right? Biserica Negra, Black Church. Old City, Old Square. Biserica Romano Cattolica. That's one we watched. And first Romanian school. Wow. You know there was the first Romanian school here. Really relaxing, this park. Look. And you can go even more up there. Thinking to go more up there. What do you think? We still got some times. You got like 45 minutes. I'm not sure how long it will take to go to the bus station there. Let me just check first. Okay, we'll take like 10 minutes to arrive there. My god, I'm all sweaty, guys, because of the salt, because of the hot. So we might as well go a bit more up here. I don't know how many steps, how many stairs are, but not so little. Oof. and we reach another level here. There is the playgarden there, the kindergarten, what do you say it? Playground? Yeah. And from here you can see even better, I think, the city, because we're slightly higher. Really nice from here. I still don't understand what those white lines are on the ground. I don't know, really weird. I don't know if you can come with car up here. I think no. I think you need to walk. Look, they are building here. Every city in Romania is really, how can I say, developing. It's a country that never stops to build. I think here you can go more up, but really, guys, I don't feel, because at the end of the day there will be a block. You can go to the sign in Brașov there, sign Brașov. You can only go with the cable thing, but as I told you, they are fixing it. It's closing now. It's closed. Next time we will come again and we'll take the cable thing. It was so hard to come up. Ooh, satisfaction to go down now. And what's wrong with my laces? They look too long. Look, you can see all the Brașov here. There is a synagogue, Strada Sfori, museum, rectorate, I don't know what it is, library. Wow, big city, guys. Te afla aici. I think we are here, right here. So if we are here, we can watch all these parts.